So this is a rusted iron metal. So this is the formula to remove it. So first we are going to take a lemon and cut it. So we are going to squeeze it. So this is a baking soda. So this is a vinegar.
Mix well with this, and then we are now going to add this in the pipe material and then place the rusted iron in it and then wait for 1 hour. Now we are placing the rusted iron rod to the pipe material. See, so you can also make this material. See, we are placing it very well. See, now we are placed. We are going to add the mixed material into this. Now we have filled throughout this material. Then wait for at least 2 hours. Wait for the rod to be getting reacted with the baking soda and vinegar and also with the citric acid. So the rusted iron will be somewhat removed. After 2 hours we can see the reaction. See over there, somewhat color has been changed. Now we can slightly scrub over it. See, the red rusted area is getting deformed. Can you see? See over there. See, it is getting reformed or getting removed, rusted thing, but not fully. Somewhat is being removed. See, the color changes is being done. The area where the solution of baking soda and vinegar plus citric acid is added and being in contact very high is being removed very good. So I will remove fully and show you. Wait for a few seconds. Somewhat disturbed with it. See, after somewhat brushed, so the iron rust has been removed to some extent or throughout. So now we can take out the water and replace it in a bucket for cleaning. Let's go. See, now we have inserted in the water tub, water plus iron. So now it will be easily removed. Can you see? Use this scrubber to remove it. Do very hardly so you could remove easily. See over here, somewhat color has been changed, so I have to scrub neatly and slowly. After the reaction, it is somewhat easy to remove the rusted iron. So I will remove somewhat and show you. Wait for still some time. You can also use this electro-coated plate, which if you ask in the paint shops to remove the wall paint, they will give this paper. So you could also use this. It will be very easy to remove. See, the scratches will be removed very easily. This is known as electro-coated plate or the scrubber sheet. It will easily remove. See, it is easily removing the rust. See, somewhat removed. Color has been changed very well. I will show you. Can you see the changes to some extent? Wait, I will clean this place completely and show you, because the video time is being extended to very high. This is waterproof sheet, so no issues. At this time also you can use the vinegar, but I am not using due to some cost issues. I am using only the sheets to remove. So I will remove up to this and show you. Wait for some time. See, now after our effort we have removed the stains over this area. Now we can remove throughout this area. So let's go. After at last only we can clear this over round area. So now we can clear the upper side area. So let's go. Take again with the another sheet. Can you see the changes? Can you spot the changes between this and this? So I will clean this up to this area. So I will clean up to this area and show you. Wait for some time. We are also using the iron type of scrubber. to scrap the PVX. Can you spot it? It is cleaning very well. See? It is rupees 30 only, so no issues, you can buy. See, we have cleaned somewhat, extend up to here, so we need to go with this area. So let's go. So now we are starting with the center area. See? It is cleaning very easily. Concentrate on single area, so it will be easy to make the area to be good looking. I will fully clean and show you. Wait for still some time. See, somewhat cleaned. I will clean fully and show you. See, now we have cleaned up to here, till here. We can clean over this area. Let's go. Wait for still some more minutes. Maximum we could use this. So I will clean fully and show you. So now we have cleaned completely. Now we can make the areas to be shiny. So let's shine the throughout the areas. Let's go. For shining, you have to slightly tag this area. If it's okay for you, you can stop over here, because the rusting will not be happening after this. If you want shining, you need to scratch over every area. See over here. See, now we have cleared completely to the full extent. It's aluminum rod, so the color is slightly dull. This is what we expected. Thank you friends, see you on the next video. See, now at last we have cleaned the rod completely. You will see in depth. Thank you friends. See you on the next video with other things.